Hello and welcome to Investor Web, your go-to platform for all things real estate. Here we delve into the nitty-gritty of the property world, offering insights, advice, and strategies to help you navigate this dynamic industry. Today, we're focusing on an aspect of real estate that's often overlooked, but is absolutely crucial to success: having a mentor. A mentor, particularly a real estate agent mentor, can be a game changer. They can provide guidance, help you avoid common pitfalls, and offer the kind of insider knowledge that can only come from years of experience. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out in the industry, finding the right mentor can significantly influence your journey. So how do you find a mentor who aligns with your goals and can truly help you grow? In this video, we will explore the 5 ways to find the right real estate agent mentor for you. Firstly, it's crucial to understand the role of a real estate agent mentor. This role is not to be underestimated, as a mentor can be a game changer in the ever-evolving real estate industry. A real estate agent mentor is an experienced individual who guides newer or less experienced agents towards success. They provide a wealth of knowledge, industry insights, and practical advice that can help navigate the complexities of the real estate market. They are like your personal GPS, guiding you through uncharted territories and ensuring you reach your destination, which in this case is success. A mentor's role goes beyond merely imparting knowledge. They provide a safe space for you to make mistakes and learn from them without the fear of severe consequences. They're there to pick you up when you stumble, dust you off, and set you back on your path, armed with newfound wisdom from your missteps. An experienced mentor can also help you build your network. They can introduce you to valuable contacts, potential clients, and even partners. They can open doors for you that you didn't even know existed. This is especially beneficial in the real estate business, where who you know often matters just as much as what you know. Mentors can also offer emotional support and motivation. The real estate industry can be tough, and there will be times when you may feel disheartened. During these times, a mentor's encouragement can make all the difference. They can remind you of your strengths, help you regain your confidence, and reignite your passion for the business. Moreover, a mentor can provide you with a fresh perspective. They can help you see situations from different angles, enabling you to make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. To sum up, a real estate agent mentor is a guide, a teacher, a motivator, a network builder, and a friend. They are an invaluable resource that can significantly enhance your growth and success in the real estate business. Having a mentor can significantly impact your success in the real estate industry. They can help you navigate the challenging path towards success with greater ease and confidence. So, the first way to find the right real estate agent mentor is within your network. You see, the world of real estate is a tightly knit community where relationships are paramount, and often the best resources are closer than you think. Perhaps you've already crossed paths with a potential mentor in your day-to-day interactions. It could be a seasoned professional in your office who's always willing to share insights, or a family friend who happens to have a successful real estate career. Your mentor doesn't necessarily have to be the most successful agent in town. Instead, look for someone who possesses the qualities you admire and aspire to have. Think about the people within your circle. Who has the experience and knowledge you need? Who is willing to share their wisdom and guide you on your journey? Don't be shy to reach out to these individuals. A simple conversation could open up a world of possibilities. However, remember to approach with respect and sincerity. Show genuine interest in their work and express your eagerness to learn. Offer value in return, perhaps by assisting them in their projects or sharing your unique skills. This way, you're not just taking, you're also giving, fostering a relationship that's beneficial for both parties. And remember, you're not just looking for a one-time advice giver, you're seeking a mentor, someone who's interested in your long-term growth and success. So choose wisely and nurture these relationships. Never underestimate the power of your network. It could lead you to the mentor that will help shape your journey in the exciting world of real estate. The second way to find your mentor is by attending industry events. This is a proactive approach that can open up a myriad of opportunities for you. Picture this: you're in a room filled with experienced professionals, all sharing their insights, knowledge, and experiences in the Real estate industry. These are the kind of people who've walked the path you're embarking on and have a wealth of wisdom to share. Industry events, seminars and workshops are invaluable platforms that bring together a diverse group of individuals, all connected by their passion for real estate. They are havens for learning, expanding one's knowledge, and most importantly, networking. Networking, as you may already know, is the key to building meaningful professional relationships. It's all about making connections, having conversations, and discovering common ground. At these events, you'll have the chance to meet potential mentors who can guide you on your journey. You can engage in thoughtful discussions, ask questions, share your aspirations, and express your desire for mentorship. Remember, a mentorship doesn't always have to be a formal agreement. It can simply start with an insightful conversation that leaves an impact on you. So the next time there's an industry event, don't hesitate to attend. Equip yourself with a positive attitude, an open mind, and a readiness to learn. You never know, your future mentor could be a handshake away. Industry events are a goldmine for finding potential mentors. Our third way to find a mentor is through social media platforms. Can you imagine a world without social media today? Neither can we. It's not just for memes and cat videos, folks. Social media platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook have become vital tools in the professional world, including in real estate. They can be your gateway to find the right mentor. Let's start with LinkedIn. It's a platform built for professional networking. You can use it to look for experienced real estate agents who are open to mentoring. Check their profiles, see their experiences, and gauge if their career path aligns with your aspirations. But remember, don't just jump in, sending a mentor request right away. Engage with their posts, comment thoughtfully, and build a rapport before you approach them for mentorship. Now let's move on to Facebook. It's not just for connecting with friends and family. Many professionals and industry groups have made their home there. Join real estate groups, participate in discussions, and keep an eye out for potential mentors. Again, the key is to build relationships first before asking for mentorship. In essence, social media platforms offer a virtual networking arena where you can connect, engage, learn, and find the right mentor. But remember, online etiquette matters, so always approach with respect and professionalism. Social media platforms are a modern-day tool for networking. The fourth way to find a mentor is by joining real estate associations. These associations serve as a fantastic reservoir of knowledge and networking opportunities. They bring together like-minded individuals who are passionate about real estate, making it an ideal place to find a mentor. Associations such as the National Association of Realtors, the Real Estate Investment Association, and the International Real Estate Federation are renowned for their extensive networks and resources. By joining these associations, you gain access to a community of experienced real estate professionals who can guide you on your journey. These associations often host events, seminars, and workshops where members can share their experiences, learn from industry experts, and form meaningful relationships. It's in these interactions you might just find your ideal mentor, someone who resonates with your aspirations and complements your style. Remember, a mentor is not just a guide, but a partner on your path to success. Real estate associations can provide you with a plethora of mentorship opportunities. Our fifth and final way to find a mentor is by hiring a coach. Now, this might seem like a significant investment at first, but let me assure you, it's an investment well worth making. A professional coach brings to the table years of experience and a wealth of knowledge that they've accumulated over time. They can provide personalized guidance, tailored to your specific needs and goals. Imagine having a seasoned expert, a confidant, who's walked the path you're embarking on, guiding you every step of the way. From navigating complex deals to managing client relationships, a coach can help you avoid common pitfalls, boost your confidence, and ultimately enhance your performance as a real estate agent. It's like having a personalized roadmap to success with a seasoned guide to help you traverse the landscape. So, consider hiring a coach, because remember, investing in a coach can fast-track your success in real estate. So, those were our top 5 ways to find the right real estate agent mentor for you. From looking within your network, attending industry events, utilizing social media, joining real estate associations, to hiring a coach, all these avenues can lead you to the right mentor. Having a mentor in this industry is crucial to your success. So it's worth investing your time in finding the right one. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to InvestorWeb for more insights into the real estate industry.